Voiceable helps online retailers recreate the in-store experience using voice and video, providing customers with tailored guidance directly from the retailer website. This close customer engagement increases conversion rates, user experience, and loyalty. Online conversion rates average at 2%, whereas in-store conversion rates average at 20%. When we saw this 2 years ago, we saw the human touch that is so essential for retail is missing online. So basically, conversation intelligence is what helps sales leaders separate the best from the rest. The agent is able to remotely control the Matterport 3D model and provide guidance in the virtual showroom. Voiceable has a very unique dashboard that provides insights both into the account performance, that means how many calls came in, how many calls were answered, and into the agent performance. The retailers are able to compare between sales agents and specifically see how proactive each sales agent is, how many upsells, how many cross-sells they attempted, and as a result of that, how successful they were in terms of how many conversions they did, what was their average order value, and total revenue that they brought in.